An 80 kilogram washing machine uses around 656 litres an hour and about 21.36 kilowatts per hour. If we add an XL water recovery tank, we use only 288 litres of fresh water and about 18.80 kilowatts per hour. That means that we are saving about 368 litres per hour and 2.67 kilowatts per hour. Suppose that a standard laundry with 3 80 kilogram washing machines works 16 hours a day and 300 days a year. If we have that the price of energy is 0.3 kilowatts per hour and the price of water is €3 per cubic metre, it gives us a saving of €11,534.4 of electricity and €15,897.6 of water. We are saving a total of €23,298 per year just by adding a water recovery tank.